Hi guys, welcome back to another Toddler Time. My name is Jennifer, and today we'll be working on a science experiment. It's called a snowstorm in a jar. This is a very fun activity that your toddler can do that promotes sensory play, and then also it's a STEM project. You would need a jar, so any type of jar. You would need some white paint, some baby oil, or you can use vegetable oil, but if you use vegetable oil, it is yellow, so it'll have a yellow tint instead of being clear. And you can put a little glitter if you prefer, and some water, and a Alka-Seltzer tablet. What we need to do first is I will get my jar, and I'm going to go ahead and put my paint in. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of paint, and then we're going to put in about 1/4 cup of water. It just depends on what size jar you have. So we're going to pour the water over in, and then we're going to just stir it up. And when you stir it up, it's going to look like milk, like a watered down milk. Okay, and then next, we're gonna go ahead and fill the jar with the oil. And you can do probably about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup. So we're just gonna try to fill the jar, not completely to the top, but somewhat. And then I'm gonna put some glitter in. And this is what it looks like, if you can see that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to break up the Alka-Seltzer tablet. You can put the whole piece in, or you can break it up into little pieces. I don't know if we can see that or not, but let me put some more in here. Not sure if you can see it, but it's coming up to the top when the Alka-Seltzer hits the bottom. See, oil and water don't mix, so the water molecules that are polar, which means that they have a small positive charge at one end and a small negative charge at the other end, and that causes it to attract to each other like a magnet and form a strong bond. And then the oil molecules are nonpolar, and they are more attracted to each other than water molecules. So the oil is less dense than the water, so that causes the water mixed paint to sink at the bottom, and then while the water remains on top. So that's what happens to it. And when you drop the Alka-Seltzer tablet in there, which contains baking soda, the reaction between the sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, and the citric acid and the hydrogen oxide, which is water, it creates a carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles then, they fill up with the carbon dioxide gas, which pushes the water and the paint mixture upward. But the oil exerts pressure downward and pushes the mixture back down. And that creates the snow effect in the jar. So let me drop another tablet in. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. Kind of hard to see on camera, but I can see the paint going up through the oil. Can you see that? That's pretty cool. And you can reuse this. You can get some more tablets and put them in and just keep using it over and over and over if you'd like. and the kids will enjoy this activity. And it's a very fun, easy activity that I hope you share with your child, that you and your children can do at home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you tune in with me next time. See you later. Bye.